Hello students of Standard 7. In Geography you are learning about Australia. You are learning about the physical features of Australia. Today I am going to explain chapter 9 Australia, which is part 3, and in which you are going to learn some of the physical features of Australia. Through the previous videos you have learnt about the location and extent and physical features that the western plateau and the central lowlands. Today you are going to learn about the eastern highland, the coastal plains, the Great Barrier Reef and the Rift Valley of Australia. So look at the map. The eastern highland is located in the eastern part of Australia. It runs from Cape York Peninsula to the Bass Strait in the south. It runs parallel to the coast, parallel to the Pacific Ocean, and north to south. It is very long, and the height of this mountain is not very high. Average height is about 900 meters. This Great Dividing Range, it is known as Great Dividing Range. It was very difficult for the explorers in the ancient period. Nowadays it is very good and important because many rivers rise from this eastern highland, and two perennial large rivers are River Murray and Darling. They also flow downward from this eastern highland, and other rivers also form waterfalls and they flow in great speed. They are utilized to harness hydroelectricity. So these rivers which are descending from these highlands, they are very useful to generate hydroelectricity. There are two mountains in this, Australian Alps and Blue Mountain, and the highest mountain peak is Mount Kosciuszko, which is located on Australian Alps in southern part of this Great Dividing Range. The next physical feature is the coastal plain. The coastal plains in Australia, in the parts of west or southern part and eastern part, they are very narrow. There is narrow plain which is well utilized for the transport, road transport and railways, and also used by agriculture. Only in southern part there is a large plain that is known as Nullarbor Plain, and which is very good and fertile and used for agriculture. The next important feature is the Great Barrier Reef. Where is it? Great Barrier Reef is located in the northeast part of Australia, north to the eastern part of Australia, parallel to the coast in the shallow sea. What is it? What is Great Barrier Reef? It is a long narrow ridge. Long narrow mountain is known as ridge. So it is about 2300 meters long. And how is it formed? It is formed due to the corals. What are the corals? Corals are the very tiny sea animals or sea organisms. Their secret, while they die, calcium carbonate is deposited and consolidated and form rocks. So rocky-like feature formed as a ridge in the northeast part of Australia, and they are found in the shallow water, warm water. These sea organisms are mainly found in the warm waters of shallow seas and the coastal region. So this long narrow mountain or coral reef is nowadays the main attraction of tourists. So it is known as tourist paradise. Why? Because this coral reefs or the Great Barrier Reef looks very beautiful during the day due to the sunlight and during the night due to the moonlight. It is colorful, looks colorful and presents very beautiful scenic beauty, and that attracts tourists in this region. And the last important physical feature is the Rift Valley in the southern part of Australia. There are deep rift valleys found in this region, and due to the formation of rift valleys, Torrens Lake is formed in the southern part of Australia, and there is a narrow lake or valley at the southern part of Australia, that is also the part of Rift Valley, and the Gulf of Spencer is also the part of Rift Valley. So these are the physical features of Australia. Actually there are 4 important physical features, and these 2 also are important. The 4 important physical features, do remember, the Western Plateau, the Central Lowland, the Eastern Highland and the coastal plains. And these 2, the Great Barrier Reef and Rift Valley of Australia, these are also important physical features. So altogether there are 6 physical features. So do remember. Thank you.